Hello, I will perform oral presentation in level 2. First, introduce myself. Second, tell about my trip experience in Villa de Leyva. Third, the weather in Villa de Leyva. Fourth, recommendation if you go Villa de Leyva. My name is Angie Juliet Quiroga Vargas, year old 23. I am from Santa Rosa. I am married. I live with my husband. I study environmental engineering. I do play soccer. Infographic. My holidays in Villa de Leyva. Last Christmas, I went to Villa de Leyva. I stayed there for 8 days in the company of my husband. I like it a lot because it's very nice and economical place. 300,000 pesos. There were many places to visit. I went to the Periquera waterfall and to the terracotta house and liked it a lot. I returned 8 days later because I have to work. The weather, Villa de Leyva. The weather in Villa de Leyva is warm and temperate. In the morning, those clouds, and at night it's sun, and sunset it is cool. Recommendation. First, it is advisable to use sun cream. It is advisable to wear sunglasses. Third, it's necessary to wear warm clothes because sometimes it is cold. Fourth, it is advisable to use an umbrella. 5. It is necessary to wear boots to go out into the field. Recommendation to Villa de Leyva. What people should do. First, you should wear appropriate and warm clothing and enjoy the ride. Second, you have to visit its natural attraction. Third, you should go through the urban center. 4. You should enjoy the One Wing and Kite Festival. What people should. First, you should not drive under the influence intoxicating drinks. You should not go out with sun protection. Third, you should not carry money in on plates. You should not respect disability limits. Thank you. Bye.